Anong ganap sa mundo ng showbiz? Uminit ang usapan online matapos ibahagi ni Bretman Rock na ang mahigit 550,000 piso na donasyon niya sa dati niyang elementary school sa Cagayan ay muntik nang hindi malaman ng mga guro at di umano'y dumaan lang diretso sa principal. Ayon kay Bretman, nagulat siya nang may mag-message sa kanyang teachers na tila walang kaalam-alam sa perang ipinadala, kaya't napaisip siya kung saan talaga napunta ang pondo. Umabot pa sa puntong nakialam na ang kanyang ina at kinausap ang paaralan para malinawan ng lahat. Bakit walang transparency? Bakit parang iisang tao lang ang may hawak ng donasyon? At bakit mismong teachers pa ang nagulat? Marami tuloy ang naghinalang, baka muntik na itong maibulsa kung hindi pa umalma ang pamilya ni Bretman.
And apparently, because I sent it directly to the principal was being hush-hush and like being petty about it and was like, and a lot of the associates
Was like,
some of
where
the
is it?
teachers and
Yeah.
the treasurers were like, where's the money? Like, why aren't you like telling us about it? Like, so they thought that he was like trying to pocket the money.
Yeah.
And my mom got involved, girl. She texted our cousin, the teacher, was like, I need to talk to the principal right now. And she
Girl.
got it all together. And then she was like, you're not about to take my son's money and pocket it and think it's not going to go to the school. I need everything in writing. I need every receipt. I need to know every single penny that he donated went to the school and not in your pocket.
Yeah.
Ang tanong, kung walang nagreklamo, malalaman kaya talaga kung saan napunta ang kalahating milyong donasyon o tuluyan na lang itong mawawala sa katahimikan?